So I always like to start off by drawing how I usually draw, so I'm just gonna go ahead and draw a cat. It kind of looks like a cross between a hamster and a lion and a seal. I don't know, but it's not that good, so I think what I'll do is maybe try to follow the book, because it has like instructions and guidelines, so I think that's kind of what I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This cat has seen better days, okay? But I'm still gonna keep practicing, I'm not gonna give up, and I think now I'm just gonna try to copy some of the cats from the notebook and see how that goes. Hopefully better. Okay, so that was from the notebook. I just tried copying them as best as possible. And, not bad. They are pretty derpy, but I do like that style a little bit more than the one from the book because I feel like the book is a little bit harder. At least, maybe for me. I think I'm more of like a visual person, so I think what I'll do is I'll look up a tutorial online and try to follow that. And hopefully by seeing a video, it'll be more helpful. So let's go ahead and try that. So I forgot to mention something pretty amazing, and I can't believe I forgot to mention this in the beginning, but one of the YouTubers that I absolutely adore to watch, and his name is Scott Christian Sava. You might know him if you're an artist, or maybe you don't, I don't know, but he's a pretty big YouTuber, and he actually commented twice on my latest video. And I'm just like, I'm still dumbfounded by that. I just can't believe that because I'm such a little pipsqueak on YouTube, you know? Most of the time, nobody really blinks an eye on smaller YouTubers, which is kind of sad to say, but that's just the reality of it. And I just felt so humbled at that time. Or not even really humbled, but more like, I don't know, I guess shock is just the best way to explain it because, you know, I'm just really a nobody here on this platform. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. This one actually came out pretty cute, and I believe the tutorial that I followed was from JoJo Artcraft. I'll be sure to link all the tutorials in the description. I'm gonna go ahead and follow one more tutorial, maybe two more. I feel like it's okay. It's not that great. I do feel like it was a bit harder to follow along, but it is what it is. It's not bad and it's not good. I think I might do one last tutorial. What do you think, Yumi? Did I do a good job? I'll take that as a no. Aww. So this is day 2 and I feel so much better compared to yesterday, and looking back at the drawings, I'm pretty disappointed with them. I mean, I wanted to do way better than that, so I figured why not just give it a second go at it and just try again, and hopefully this time around is gonna be a little bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try to fill out another page or maybe 2 and try my best, and hopefully it'll turn out way better than it is now. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Aw, this came out so cute. Okay, I'm so happy that I redid it today because I'm much happier with this pages compared to yesterday's pages. I do wish that I was like more confident in some of the line work and I just went for it. Instead, I hesitated and I messed up a lot, but that's okay. You know, it's okay to mess up in a sketchbook, like it really doesn't matter. But other than that, I really did enjoy this practice session and I hope you did too. And next time we see each other, it's gonna be 2024, so that's kind of crazy to think about. Besides that, I hope you have an awesome holiday and I wish you the warmest of wishes. And yeah, that's about it. Until next time, bye!